Hi, today we are going to use the document generator of Mendix. The first thing we are going to do is set up our security. We do this here. We set our security level to production and we click OK. The second thing we are going to do is create our domain model. We are going to create a product entity and a document entity. Product. We're gonna set up our attributes. We're gonna give it a name, a description, and a price. We're gonna also create a document entity with the name document, and the generalization is system file document. So now we have created our domain model. Now we set up our access rules. We're gonna add an access rule to the product entity. We go to the access rule tab. We click new. We select the user role. We allow to create and delete objects. And we're gonna set all the attributes to read write. And we click OK. We are going to do that also for the document. Now we are going to generate overview pages. Just right click on your mouse and click on generate overview pages. We are going to generate overview pages only for our products. As you can see, we have one error. Click on the error. It is a visibility error. So set visibility for the user. Gonna do this also for the product overview page. Now we have solved all problems. We are going to make a new template of the document. We can do it here. We click add other, click document template. In the document template, we are going to add a data grid. In the data grid, we click on the right mouse button. We select the entity. Our entity we're gonna select is product. We're gonna set up our columns with a name and a description. For example, we are going to add our column caption, name. Gonna do this also for the description. I have also created a microflow to download the document file. I'm going to import the microflow. Before we go any further, you can always subscribe under the video. The next thing, what does my microflow do? I'm gonna create a document. I'm gonna retrieve a product list. Then I'm gonna generate a PDF. In this PDF, I'm gonna select document. We have also multiple document types, .html, .pdf, and many more. My document type is PDF. My template is my template that I have just made. And my argument is the product list in my microflow. And I click OK. Then we're gonna change the document name. You specify a name plus your extension. It can be a .pdf, .docs if you have it also set in your generate document action. I have also set the delete after download to true. So the document will be deleted after the download. The last action in the microflow is to download the file. We slide our product overview page in the dashboard and also our act download microflow here, download the PDF. And now we are going to run our project. We are going to log in on our website. Username mxadmin, password is 1. Gonna sign in. The first thing we are going to do is to go to our product overview page. We're gonna add a new product, for example, name phone, description, this is a phone, and a price 230. We are going to add a new one. Now we have add our products. Now we're gonna download it. We are going back to our dashboard and then we're gonna click the act download button. And as you can see, I have downloaded a document. If you click it open, you see my document with the phone and the master Mendix. So this was my video. Hit like, subscribe, put on the notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!